Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a very quick video on organization. I am in the process of organizing all of my pens because I went and I purchased me a new product. I've tried many different options in the past, and of course I haven't found one that works great for me, so I went and I ordered me a new product in hopes that this time around it's actually gonna work. So needless to say, as planner girls, I know that I am not the only one. I do buy pens all the time. I love me a ballpoint pen. I love me color pens. I love all kinds of pens, and I keep buying them, and I have to find a solution to keep them organized and accessible when I need them. So that is why I decided to make this video, because I don't know, maybe it can help one of you guys. When I woke up this morning, my main goal for today was to organize this drawer. If you are like me and you own a large amount of pens and pencils, you are truly gonna understand what I'm going through right now. So I'm just gonna give you a little peek of what the mess is. Yes. This needs to stop. Alright, so here's a closer look. This is what my situation is. This is just one of the drawers where I have pens. I have tons and tons and tons of pens. I have them here. These things are everywhere. When I tell you, I just have tons and tons. I mean, I had even tried to make them part of my decoration in my craft room, but this is just too much. And the worst part, I just can't stop buying them, you know? So I figured I need to have them organized in a way that I can enjoy and use all of these pens, because this is just, it's too much. I mean, as you can see, at one point I thought having this trays was gonna fix the problem, but it hasn't. It just gets filled up with stuff. It looks cute. I mix them all the time. There's no, well, I have like the pencils only here, but trays didn't work. Having them part of the decor didn't help either, and obviously having them at my desk does not help. But I want to have quick access to my pen, so when I'm sitting working on here, like, I can come and have access to them right away. But they mix up all the time, and this is what my main problem is. So I did what most of us will do, and I went on Amazon and I did a search for pen, and I started to browse and browse and browse and browse, and I came along to this awesome product called Deflecto Stackable Cube Organizers. So I placed my order. I got my item 2 days later, but it was broken, and then I had to send it back, and I just got the replacement. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. It's a cube with these nice dividers. I've tried many other options and it just hasn't worked. I don't want to clutter my desk with a lot of stuff. I don't want to have things all over the place. I want to have them divided so that I know when I'm looking for a particular pen, I know where to find it quick. I don't want to have to search and search to try to find a pen. So I decided to give this a chance, and I am going to find all my pens and I'm gonna put them in here. We're gonna do this on camera and I'm gonna give it a try. All right, so I have tons of these, so I'm gonna start with them. Okay, wait, oh wow. Okay, next up are my Sharpies. I love me the Sharpie brand, as you can tell. I have these guys. I love them so much. I love these, but not for bullet journaling because they bleed. I love me some of these. They're just awesome. So I figured I'm gonna put all the Sharpie ones, together. Yep, there's more. All right. So, of course, I hope you know that I didn't order just one. I ordered me two because I know I have a problem. I truly do understand that. So, I ordered me two. And as you can see, these are okay. I mean, it fitted a whole lot of Sharpies. These, I don't know, but you know what? Hold on a second. Let me get the other one. Okay, I did this off camera. These Tombow pens are pretty large, and compared to the rest of my pens, they kind of stand out, literally. If I put them to the side, like this is how tall they are. I know already that's gonna bother me, so what I did here, I put these pens from Recollections, I put them here. I have this paper matte flare all together, and see, I like that I can see the tip of them. I have accommodated a whole lot, and I still have space for my pencils in here, but there's a lot of more space, and I'm already liking that I can fit all these pens in one space. This is definitely gonna bother me, but it's nothing. It's at least more organized. I am loving how this is turning out. The only thing is, I don't like how my Tombow pens kind of stick out. Look at that. Yeah, I don't think I like that. But other than that, I love that they are like an arm's reach. And there's still space here, and there's still space over here and over here. See, when I lay it down, it kind of reorganized them in a different way, but look. All right, guys, like I said, I just wanted to show you real quickly how I am organizing my pens these days. I just hope that this system is gonna work. I hope that if any one of you guys is struggling with the same issue, this might be an option for you. So I'm going to link this item down in the description box below, and if it helps you, let me know. I am in the middle of reorganizing my pens, but I wanted to come on camera and show you what this new option is. I will link that item in the description box below. I'm not sure if it would help you. I'm not even sure if it's gonna help me, but I am gonna try it because the struggle is real. All right, so I'm going to finish my video right now, and don't forget, I post pictures in my Instagram account. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.